Hello, grade 9, and welcome back to our English class. Hello, grade. We're still on illogical construction. Let us master this topic so we can surely avoid committing the same mistakes. Last meeting we discussed all about illogical construction. These are double negative, double comparison, redundancy, faulty parallelism, and wordiness that we need to avoid when we construct sentences. So let's check whether you have understood our lesson. Let's have some series of exercises before you take your quiz. Now what we're going to do is let's read and identify the error in constructing this sentences, and then after that make sure to revise and rewrite to check the error. Number 1, singing in the shower, to camp in the woods, and conversation with her friends are all things she enjoys. Number 2, he was assigned to study the past history of the Philippine civilization. Number 3, the ideal conditions for growing tomatoes are spring rain, sun in summer, and dry weather in fall. And here are the correct answers. For number 1, it's no other than what we call faulty parallelism. Now, singing in the shower, that is a gerund phrase. And then earlier, we use infinitive. That's why it's wrong. So what we're going to do now, all the series of items here will be changed into gerund phrase. So singing in the shower, camping in the woods, and conversing with her friends are all things she enjoys. Now remember, faulty parallelism happens when there are series of words connected by conjunction, or it could be sentences using coordinating conjunction. Now for number 2, he was assigned to study the past history. When we say past, it's already understood that it's in history. So just use one at a time. So he was assigned to study the history of the Philippine civilization, or it can also be he was assigned to study the past of the Philippine civilization. Next, faulty parallelism. There you are again. You have here series of words: rain in spring, sun in summer, and dry weather in fall. Now here what we did is we changed spring rain to rain in spring, so it will become a phrase: sun in summer and dry weather in fall. Or you can do it also this way: the ideal conditions for growing tomatoes are spring rain, summer sun, and fall weather. Or you can do it also this one. How about this one? Can you tell me the error? Number 4, can you warn me in advance if anyone is coming? Number 5, the honest truth is that I really do not like shrimp very much. Herbert never has no time to relax no more. So get your scotch paper and pencil and show me your answers. Number 4, the correct answer is redundancy. Instead of warn, we change warn into the verb tell. Because when we say warn, it means you're saying it already in advance. So use one word at a time. So do not use words in a sentence with the same meaning, because it will become redundant sentence. Now, you can tell me in advance if anyone is, can you tell me in advance if anyone is coming? Or you can say it this way: can you warn me if anyone is coming? Number 5, the correct answer is wordiness. what you were trying to say is, I don't like shrimp or I dislike shrimps. That's all. You need to take away unnecessary words, but make sure you retain the meaning. Number 6. Herbert never has any time to relax anymore. Herbert has no time to relax no more. So in short, we take away the to knows and we change it to never. So we retain one negative word only, not two negative words. Next, we have number 7. We hadn't scarcely enough orange juice for the family at breakfast. Number 8. It is very unusual to find someone who has never told a deliberate lie on purpose. When I was younger, I was a far more better swimmer than anyone else in my school. So can you tell me the error? Go now. Make sure to revise the sentence. Number 7, the correct answer is double negative. Instead of saying we hadn't scarcely, just retain one negative word. We had scarcely enough orange juice for the family at breakfast. So you would say, you can also say we hadn't enough, can also be, but as long as it's one at a time. Number 8, we have wordiness. The beginning sentence earlier, it is very unusual to find. Instead of using 1, 2, 3, 4 words, it is very unusual. You can change it to one word, which means rarely. So 4 words versus 1 word, but with the same meaning. So you can take away also on purpose. Number 9, we have double comparison. When I was younger, I was a better swimmer. No need to say more better. So that would be for illogical construction. Thank you so much, grade 9. That would be all for today. Thank you so much.